Hi guys, so this is the 7 tips on how to manage your own money or your funds. Ito ang mga importanteng tips kung paano kayo magsimula mag-ipon at tumawak ang inyong kaalaman sa personal finance and wealth building. If you follow these 8 tips religiously, I'm sure kahit ano pa man ang kinikita nyo, malaki man or maliit, I assure you, magagulat na lang kayo on your savings. Number 1, spend less than you earn. This is one of the most important key in having bigger savings. Kailangan mag-spend tayo ng mas maliit kaysa sa kinikita natin. Kahit gaano tayo kumita, basta mas maliit ang expense natin, I'm sure hindi tayo mawawalan ng funds for later. There is a saying na, live within your means. If you don't live less than what we earn, hindi natin makakamit ang ating financial goals in life. Practicing this habit may take quite some time, but having this discipline can surely pay off in the future. Number 2, pay yourself first. Pay yourself, ika nga. We always seldom do this, especially after getting our paychecks, di ba? For example, pagkakuha natin ng sweldo, i-gastos natin on our monthly expenses such as groceries, car payments, and other expenses. This is one of the biggest mistakes that we do by not paying ourselves first. Paying ourselves first means for every income we earn, we set aside a portion of our earnings for investment purposes. Maliit lang siya, but in time, you will see the difference between our hard work and discipline. Number 3, create an emergency fund. I cannot stress this enough. Kailangan natin mag-set aside ng pondo or funds para sa emergency fund natin. Kasi hindi natin alam what will happen in the near future. As they say, the future holds uncertainty. But one thing that is certain is our emergency funds. Number 4, learn to budget. Ang crucial na tip para sa inyo is to learn how to budget your income and your money. Keep track natin yung inflow and outflow ng income natin para we can see what our money is going to. Listing your expense is also a good habit to spend less. So we can also see what are the unnecessary things or items or expenditures ang ginagastos natin na maaaring tanggalin. Making a budget for utilities or our groceries is very helpful in our financial goals. Number 5, read books. Ito ay isa ring mahalagang tip is to always learn ways to earn more money or learn new ideas on financial literacy or any finance in general. Isa itong magiging tulong sa inyo if you learn more about savings or investing your own money. Magbasa at kumuha ng kaalaman sa mga libro na may bibigay na financial literacy, lalo na sa paglago ng pera o personal finance. Personally, these are the 2 books that I recommend for you guys to start. Number 6, invest money. Huwag matakot mag-invest ng pera. You also need to invest our funds to an investment vehicle like stocks, bonds, or any financial products that can offer returns together with your principal. But always remember to do your own research bago mag-invest or ipalago ang pera. Maraming investment scams dyan na pwede ubusin ang inyong pera pag hindi ay inalagaan. Invest lang kahit konti lang ang returns. In time, lalaki din yung nilaro mo na pera sa mga investments. Number 7, protect your wealth. Protecting your wealth, always remember by earning a lot of money, we can invest some of the earnings in investments, but in such a way na hindi matatamaan o mababawasan ang principal amount. Mas pipiliin ko mag-invest sa maliit na returns sa siguradong mababalik sa akin ang original na pang-invest ko kesa sa investment na malaki ang kita pero hindi siguradong kung babalik ang original na pera ko. Diyan lang po ang 7 money tips that can help us achieve our financial goals. In summary, these are the 7 money tips. Spend less than you earn. Pay yourself first, create emergency fund, learn to budget, read books, invest money, protect your wealth. Diyan nagtatapos ang ating video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks.